And this player is named Corona, California, Carlos Garcia.
Let's look at what else on my little friends and look at them run. Still the
Timekeeper, let's go.
Stay right here for a minute. Work your right hand under his head. Right hand under his head. There you go. Right hand under the head. Under. There you go. Now circle off the fence a little. No. Choke that arm. Remember what I said. Relax. There you go. Choke that arm. Push yourself off the fence. Carlos, remember you have the headlock choke too. That arm goes on the other side. Knee, go on the knee. There it is, grab it. There it is, keep it. Now go mount. Now that his legs are down, go over and mount. There you go. No punching, keep your base. Widen, no punching. Keep your base. Widen your base up. Widen your base. Put a forearm to the throat. Across. There you go. Here's the arm. Go. Just do it. Don't think. Just step over. Do it. Come on. Step over. Slow down.
Come on, let's hear it for these guys.
Push his right knee down. Push the right knee down.
Full guard. Push on his leg. Get full guard.
Widen your base first.
Push on his knee and get full guard.
Bring it through.
Roll. Sit up. Stand up.
Good job.
Nice.
Right to the fence. Go double.
Knees body set.
Change right there. Now drop. Keep dropping. Carlos, pass right now. Don't worry about the pass. Push the knee down. Push that knee down right there. Push it down. Push down the knee. Push it down. Pass good. Now walk your knees forward.
Cedric, feet on the fence. Get the feet on the fence. Cedric, feet on the fence.
Yes.
Big roll. Hold those arms. Roll. Nice. Hold arm down.
SMA, stay outside, guys. Just submission. Come train, bring her in.
Let's hear it for you guys.